Hello YouTube, welcome to BPS Expert. In today's video, we are going to look about how to find a chemical compound is acid or base with its chemical formula. Let's get into the video. There are over 30 million chemical components in this world, and they are mainly classified into acid and base. The most important is that acid base are only for vapor aqueous solutions, which means it must have a water molecule, which is H2O. The acid base are calculated with the pH scale that we all know, which is nothing but the concentration of H ions presented in that mixture. Normally, we all know that acids ranges below 7 in the pH scale and base above 8 in the pH scale. If you look up closely, you can find that most of the acids has hydrogen ions present first in its chemical formula. Most the hydrogen that present first in the chemical formula are acidic, the rest are non-acidic. Under certain conditions, those hydrogen ions can be released out. Normally, acids are classified into two types. One is strong and is weak. They are classified with the ionization level. If the acid ionizes completely with water, then it's called strong acid. If not, it's weak acid. And this was done due to the strong polarity between the hydrogen atom and the rest of the atom that present in that molecule. Normally, acids are corrosive and damage to metal and organic materials. Let me see about base. A base has one or more hydroxide ions in its chemical formula, and these hydroxide ions are released under certain conditions. At high concentration level, the bases are very dangerous to both plant and animal tissues, metals, and also very corrosive. And as like acid, base also has strong and weak. The reason for acid base is that if a chemical compound consumes more hydroxide ions, it creates acidic conditions by releasing hydrogen ions. If it consumes more hydrogen ions by releasing hydroxide ions, then it creates a base conditions. With this sample, I had created a simple program with Python. Here I made a small code to judge or to guess the chemical compounds that computer wants us. It wants an acid, so where is also a case sensitive program, which means you have to always given in caps for the required things and in small letter for the required things. If you done it wrong, then totally will be wrong. So here I have given the HCl in the caps and both in small. But when you give it in caps, it gives the right answer. But when in small, it gives the wrong answer. So to enter the chemical formula of a base. And here is mine. Again, it was a base. And this goes wrong. But in the second part of the program, we can check whether the chemical compound is acid or base. For an example, in the case with HCl, it's an acid. And it's methylene, CH3OH. It's a base. No problem if you're not good in programming, because I had also developed a .exe file no problem if you are not good in programming, because I had also developed a AXE file for your convenience. You can download this from my GitHub page where you no need to code anything, just run these applications. And this application is to check for more user friendly. Had made this where you can have an input of small also. So it takes both uppercase and lowercase. It has no case sensitive for the user friendly. And also the second program where you want to guess what the computer wants. I had given the link below to download all these files. In this case, it's ASIC. So I'm giving HCL. Or this time I'm going to with HBR. It's correct. So we give some other things. Now it's sodium hydroxide NaOH. So it's a base and it's correct. Now again, you want a base when you give a wrong one. Bromine hydroxide. It's again a base. Okay. It's wrong. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. Stay tuned for more and follow my channel for more videos. And as this is my first video, if I need to improve anything, please comment below. If the acid ionizes completely with water, then it's called strong acid. If not, it's weak acid. And this was done due to the strong polarity between the hydrogen atom and the rest of the atom that present in that molecule.